YouTubers, this is my fire alarm, break glass. It's the same as the other one there. See it? It says it's from China. You know, I'll take it nice and easy now. It's a break glass. Let me unbox it. Just put it there. So put it out gently. Put it gently there. Here it is. There's a cool point in itself. And here is the cool point. There's a box, empty it. And there, I'm fine, thank you. I'm independent. Yeah, that's the cool point. Yeah, there's a key for it as well, glass in there. Box of tricks. That's where the connectors are. There's the holes for the cover. Yeah. There's my manual, another manual cool point. Yeah, I'll get my screwdriver. Hang on a sec. There it is. I've got the screwdriver. There's my screwdriver. There's the key there. I'll just show you. I'll keep that one as a spare, but I'll use. This is the key for it. Let's see. It usually goes in here. I'll push it in. I know. I'm doing one hand. Put it. Make sure it's one-handed if I'm gonna do it. I know. It's like that. Put it in like that. Like that. It's glass. This is glass actually. It's not resettable. You know, also when I open the cover, I'm using that screw. I'll just do it like that. I showed you. I know. So there's the glass in there. That key bit pulls the glass down. Yep. That's the glass. You know when I break the glass, it releases that. Yes, it does. And I'll put the glass back in. Yeah. And I'll stick the cover on. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.